Okay, after you just gave your horse the bath, you wonder how to dry him off. There is a hair dryer for horses. Let me get it for you. Looks something like a leaf blower. Blue land, coral. Look, let dry your horse. Now, if you got the wrong horse, you may find him in the next county because he may not put up with this crap. This one here, he's alright. That's how you do it, guys.